Hello, everybody. I'm here. I'm here, right? Everything's working, right? Everything's working, right? Okay, no, actually, I should double check everything's working. Yep, my mic's working. Yippee! Something in my throat. Hello. Let me actually make sure stuff is laid out correctly as well. Twitch, stopping Twitch. There we go. Everything's working. Everything's working. Yeah, everything's working. Okay. Hello everybody. We are back. We are gonna play some Minecraft, but before the Minecraft, we do what we do every time, and I'm gonna talk about what I've done today for the project, and that is jack shit. So what I've done today is I think I added a camera here, which I am gonna delete now because I just exported this so that way I can update the file on itch.io, which I am gonna grab real quick. I'm gonna grab it real quick so that way I can post it in the chat for people to look at. There, that one. That's the right one. Yep. I have posted it. Basically, just updated the itch.io project to include this and remove the alpha, uh, the one here. I also can get rid of this right now because I don't need it on this screen. It's not gonna update. And then the main problem I was having today is actually I should save this so that way this does update. I was working on making a. It's not visible. Let me open the project. I was working on making this button, which pulls it up and gets rid of it. I think I'm gonna switch this to a drop down menu for all the settings, but I mostly just want to make sure that I can get it to come up in the right spot and then disappear. So this all works now. And then I also made it so that the text here changes depending. Ooh, okay, there's still a problem with it. Whenever I just click on it, it thinks I'm clicking on the button because this is a child. I will fix that. That is something I will fix, but also it's not the highest priority because my main thing is I was struggling to get the color of this to change like with the background without just being the color of the background. And also, when I go to a darker color, making it so that it's a lighter color, because I don't want it to be like, I mean, it's probably hard to see, especially on stream, but it is harder to see, but you can actually see the words instead of it just being black. And then when I switch it to white, you can see the words instead of it just being, uh, like, it looks more correct. It matches more with this border color, which is what I wanted in like a bright red has a dark to it, where a black makes it like this gray. So yeah, just make it so it's readable, like in most circumstances. Which that was the main thing I struggled with today. I'm being so real. That was the main thing. Was just make it so this text actually mattered. But yeah. Oh, it's still printing I don't need it to print that anymore. So yeah, it's a lot of wild bullshit that is happening here, and this just happens to all work. So that is what I have done. That's the Godot project. I am now going to open up Minecraft and make sure that everything's what did I save and quit. Let me get Minecraft open. It's already loaded. I just gotta make sure that OBS is visually correct. Gotta remove display capture, show Minecraft. Okay, yep. Let me get Minecraft up here. Mic is working, right? It looks like it's working. Can only assume it's working. Minecraft. Minecraft's audio is working, right? Guess I should double check. Yes, it is working. Okay, we go in. Start working on this. Get back to it. Whatever it is. Yeah. Let's see. Where should I start today? I could probably work on this tree line, getting it to this ridge for a bit. That's probably a good start. Ooh, I feel like burping. Hi. So yeah. Oh, those are beehives. I was like, what is the warm color off to there? I thought it was like a fire for a second. Doo doo. I'm not gonna mess with the tall trees, so I'm up to here. And we are just going to continue the deforestation so that way we can make the aesthetic forest. Do. Do. So yeah, I really haven't done much else. I mean, I woke up early because I had to go to work early today. Uh, and then I got home, I've eaten my food. Yeah, it really was the thing of I spent most of the time. I also did get a what is it called? It was just a bunch of like it was a building set, and it was all the evolutions. So I now have all of the evolutions, like little figures that I built, and that was the like fun free time thing I did today. I also have written out. Let me look at it so I can read it off real quick. I think my mic has gotten louder. Maybe I'm just speaking louder more. Where is the tab? I want to read it off because I also know what I need to. Oh, hello there. Welcome in the chat. Uh I'm just explaining stuff. Hello, hi, welcome. I was just talking to myself, and now there's someone actually here. I am doing good. I was just talking to myself because I wanted to go over. I know for my software project I'm working on, I know my next thing I'm working on is going to be the actual task management system in it, which I need to make it so it has long task, short task, and then complicated task. And so I also just wrote out I need a way to make it. And then I know for the long task, I need to have a name input, a complete button, and then the reward, and then a timer for it, so that way I can see how long it actually took. A short task with which just is gonna need the name, the complete button, and then the reward. And then the complicated task, which is gonna need the name, it's gonna drop down with the completion reward, and then the parts, and then underneath that I needed to say how many parts have been completed, and then the total number of parts, and then in the drop down menu, I need each part is gonna basically be a short task, which is just a part name, a button for completion, and then the part reward. So that way each little part gets me a reward, and then the big completion of it is a bigger reward. So I know what the next thing is. I know all of that is kind of the next goal for the software project, but first we're working on cutting down these trees in Minecraft. Because the trees are going to be much easier than trying to find stone. Or I guess, I mean, I found the stone. The problem is that it is it is annoying. I just have been so blessed by my like haste 2 beacons in the hole, which is like on the other side of the world. It probably would be smarter just to finish that instead of starting another project, because I still have not finished the village. All the houses are still flying above where the villagers actually are, and all that needs to be turned into copper. My mic is working. Yes, it is working. But yeah, I mean, I should have enough copper to finish the village. I just have not gone back to it. Oh, it's windy outside. Almost missed that one. Yeah, I still can't believe. Okay, I can't believe that yesterday I forgot to turn on. Well, I didn't even forget to turn on my mic. It just wasn't going through properly because of OBS. OBS just decided not to capture my mic for the first 3 hours, and then somehow that the FOD on the YouTube channel is doing just well for no reason. It's just for no reason the YouTube FOD has like 40 plus views, and they're all like it's like 40 plus hours of actual watch time for no reason. I mean, I didn't even have my mic turned on for the first 3 hours. Dude. How's the sun? Still midday. Tons of time. Ton of time for tree chopping. Oh, music box version already? I'll always say it. Creator is just one of my favorite songs, even outside of it being like Minecraft. Like, it is my favorite Minecraft song, but it is still up there with my favorite songs, even just outside of Minecraft. Just because I was listening to it before I even started playing the Trial Chamber update, so it's just in my head as like its own song. Oh. Not seeing any more. Oh well, actually I am seeing tons of trees that I'm walking past now. So many. So many trees, and yet I still have so many more that I need to get rid of. And the trees are like the easy part. All the like stone is gonna just it's gonna be such a pain. I am gonna have to drag over a beacon, but even then, like, I'm only mining like 4 blocks tall of stone. The beacon is gonna help, but I'm gonna have to move it multiple times. And the problem is I kind of don't want to move the beacons until I have what's the hole finished. And the problem is that the hole is gonna take a lot longer to finish. I mean, I guess if I kind of get this area prepared from when I can bring the beacons over here, that's still better. And I mostly just wanted to come over here because I was getting tired of digging in the hole. Just kind of running between tasks. Because I mean, while I was just focusing on the hole, it was kind of hard for me to be awake for more than an hour. Like, there were multiple streams where, I mean, I think most of the streams where I was like getting really tired after just an hour, I then just went and played Balatro instead of ending stream. But I know the last stream that I did of just digging the hole was only an hour-long stream, just because I just got so tired after digging, because Like it's just very relaxing. All I would do is just hold the left click button and walk in circles. It was just it's just very like easy on the mind to dig the hole. I have a fairy. I just realized I've been calling this area the forest, and I have the hole. Like my naming conventions are very bad, but also I just don't have any better name for either of the two places. Like all this is gonna be is a bunch of trees. Okay, I should sleep real quick. You. Oh, is that okay? That's full. Okay, I'm gonna need 4 chest. There we go. I will hold on to the dirt. Sleep. We go day up. We're on day 1749 now. Okay. Back. I'll just run back. I'm not in a rush to get back to mining the trees. Am I gonna need to mine that tree? I think that's gonna be underneath the sea level. I mean, where am I at right now? Oh, I'm already underneath sea level. I probably didn't even need to chop down this tree. And the Minecraft soundtrack is just too good. The one problem about listening to the Minecraft soundtrack for like most of the stream just constantly is that since I use the same account for playing the music on stream as the same account between stream and like my day by day, I just have Minecraft music appear in my normal like shuffle mix, which when I'm normally listening to music, it's not the actual vibe I'm going for. It's nice and relaxing, but normally when I'm listening to music, I kind of want a little bit more. But also, I can't use a second account for music because then I'll have ads, and I'm not gonna have ads on. I'm not gonna have ads on my stream that don't benefit me. So. Like if ads are gonna be gonna play on my stream, it's gonna give me money. Alright. Man, I was supposed to get a third roommate, and I don't know what happened to them, but if I can finally get a third roommate, it's gonna make, like, that is a whole extra $200-ish that I would be saving a month. Like, I might actually be able to save up for something. I would probably end up spending that $200. I mean, I'm very in mind of getting the next tattoo I want. Like, I know what it is already. Well, I know the concept idea. I still need to find an artist to actually make the design. There's so many trees around here. Yeah, it feels like I'm clearing out a ton of area. Like, from the ground level, it's like, oh, there's a ton of trees, and I'm not doing a lot. And then from like just above the trees, it's like, oh wait, no, I'm clearing out a ton of area over like here. And then I look at the entire area I need to clear out, and it's like, oh, I'm barely doing anything. It is a constant back and forth. Notification? What is that? What notification is that for? Nothing important. Oh, wait. Oh, a lot of people went live, like, either while I was working on those Eevee like figures, or when I just started stream. Like, I got so many people going live notifications, it is wild. Dude. my ear's itchy. Oh, my forehead's itchy. I haven't blinked. Oh no. Oh, my eyes. Alright. Oh, I'm fine. Oh, I missed a log. What? Why did I do that? I'm okay with missing like the saplings and the leaves. I kind of do want the apples. Just a bit though. Like they're not important for me to grab, but my eyes. Oh, it's getting dark again. Yippee. Gonna be at 175. How do I 1,750? Gonna be pretty close to reaching day 2,000 finally. Apples. Bye. Sleep. There we go. 250 days until 2,000, and I will have no projects finished by that time. I can already I already call it. I mean, it's pretty easy to call when like my two projects that are currently on my mind are like this forest project, which I have just started and already has taken me multiple days to not get that far into it, and the hole, which is probably still over a year out, even if I was to focus on it like every day. Oh, I'm cutting down a big tree. That's a mistake. Actually, not that bad. Is there no... Is that all of it? Actually, probably the best big tree to cut down by accident possible. Like zoning out, it is becoming that mind-numbing mining time. Man, this one's buried. Oh, that's the one that's already gone. This one. Hi. I love how contradictory my title is. All I've been doing is cutting down the forest that is already here. But my title is about growing the forest. But the problem is that this is not the forest I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to clear out the space for the forest that is growing. taking out these trees will allow the trees that I want to grow to grow. Do. How deep does this valley go? This is underneath the level I'm working at, isn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna have to cover this up a bit. How deep? I feel like I've already flown down here, but how deep does this one go? Goes to deep slate. I mean, it's a big cave system under here. Oh, there's a mine shaft. I'm not dealing with it. I'm out. How is the area looking? I mean, trees were up to here, so definitely some progress. I mean, there were a ton more trees here than are currently here. Kind of want to do some dirt. Nope. This one. Up. Let's see. I want to dig some of the dirt away so that way I can fill in probably just some of these water ponds that are around here. Maybe. Of course, I'd hit some stone. Not a lot, but still. Just annoying. Oh, and I've also refilled another pond and more stone. Stretch my arm for a second. There we go. Perfect. Let's see. I gotta get rid of the sand. It's like it's only grass here. And water. Almost covered. There we go. I just want to get rid of the sandstone, which is about here. This line out, kind of clean up this area. There we go. Be simple. More grass. Up and drop. Hi. Sleep. Almost sleep. I'll drop off the blocks that aren't going to be useful to me. And then I'll sleep. Let me sleep. Come on, it's dark. Actually, maybe I... do I want to grab some gunpowder tonight? That way I have some more rockets. Might be not a bad idea to do. Not using a lot of rockets, but it's not a bad idea. Yes, what I could do, just dig a little bit more, probably this way, while I wait for them to spawn. I'm gonna just kind of want, I'm not gonna be able to keep the grass out of my inventory. I just want to focus on placing the dirt. Because the faster I get it out of my inventory, the faster it will be able to start growing grass. Because this entire area is eventually supposed to be grass. No, I'm not digging at the wrong layer. There's just water underneath this grass. Let's get this covered up again. Wrong one. Here. Mob spawning yet? I have not. But they're all on the other side. None of them are by me. How did that grass get there? So I did not see that grass when I was over here before. Screw off, guys. They're not my issue. Oh no. No, you... Gah. Jerk. Rude. Meanie. And that means I got less gunpowder because of it. I hate that. Gunpowder. I don't even see any creepers at all. Oh, two. Right there. god. No, stop. Creeper. Really struggling to fight them tonight. Don't know why. Easy. Easy. There's some. There's a ton, actually. That will do. I just want some more gunpowder. Should be perfectly fine. Will these guys let me sleep? That is the question. Oh. Oh. L. Oh wait, they're running away from the dogs. That's awesome. You. Bye. Rockets. Go back. Can I pick those all up? I cannot. Ow! I was not ready for him to turn on me. I thought he was too afraid. But no. Is going well. I'm just kind of locked into this right now. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in this area, so that way I can then mine above it. Ooh. Nope, I missed one. There we go. Let me out. Perfect. Oh, hello. Do, do, do. Oh, it's getting much clearer, much more flatland. This is gonna be amazing. Even like before the trees go in, like just having this area flat and then getting all the glow lichen in, it's gonna look good. Perfect. Let's also get rid of this area. And the stone, which is, yep, gotta refuel water. Surprisingly not as much water as I expected. There it is. Still, not a lot of water. It's going very smoothly. Oh, well, screw me. Immediately place a block wrong. Hey guys, please just leave me alone. Grab. There's a lot of water around here. I mean, there's an entire ocean over there, so it's not like this is anything. This is not the most water I'm gonna have to cover up, but still a lot. Still more than nothing. Look at that. Wouldn't be able to tell there was water here. I want to try and get this cornered out. Grab the dirt instead of the gas. I'm still picking stuff up, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, I got tons of space. I mean, I've been placing dirt as well as picking it up, so I'm not too surprised. Ah, itchy back. Ah, forgetting to blink again. Ooh, stretching. Tired. Oh, wait. No, I'm fine. Perfect. That was a risk. I do not want flint. Man, do I really... I think I'm gonna just corner it here, just because I like being able to look down into this area. I'll do the line there. Probably should sleep. Bed. Day up. 1752. Let's see. Sand. I don't want the stone. Gravel. Keep the dirt on me, because I do have to come fix these patches. Water, wet. Okay. Sand. How close do I want to get this? I guess I could probably straighten up this side first. Right here. Stone patch goes away. Oh, and I'm full. Yep. Should take down this tree? It's not where I would. It's not in a good spot for me to do the flattening that I am doing right now. I'm not seeing. Hi. Take that. Oh wait, there's trees inside of the field. I'll just take them all down. That one's not that bad. Oh, maybe I'm complaining about these tall trees for nothing. That one's still there. Why is it? Am I just impatient? It's decaying. I think I'm just impatient. Do. Trying to make sure I get these to line up properly. Yep. I'm just really focused on this right now. I think when I think maybe I should. Words are hard for me. I should maybe switch over to Godot after I get this corner done. A lot of stone. Don't like that. Itchy face. I also gotta. Let me go turn on my light. It's starting to get dark. Okay. Oh, and my inventory's full again. And it's getting nighttime. Gotta sleep anyways. I'm gonna dump off all the grass and then most of the dirt. But I do want some. I mean, I'm gonna keep digging, so I'll probably have enough. Nope, I need those. Sleep. Stay up. 1753. Double check that that's correct. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, and there's also dirt on the ground, so I don't even need to worry about that being enough. It's more than enough dirt here for me to replace the stone. Boom. Let's maybe split the difference for this remaining part. Oh, that is actually kind of a big difference. Let's split it there. fine enough. Nope. Stop. There is a pond here. Oh, and I might have to take care of it. Oh no. Easy. Nice little corner. Ooh, I almost just jumped right into that. Oh, nope, wrong button. Oh well, it works. What? Hello? Anything interesting? Nothing. Nothing too interesting here. My guy, not that good. Not that good. You're lucky I do not need any more leads, and I do not want to worry about them right now. I don't need to worry about the leather and leads that you'll give me. You get to walk away. I know there's still more. I just want to itch my ear. Oh, and my headset's dying. Yippee. Yippee. There we go. Wait. Ooh, Pokemon. TCG packets. Oh, let me actually turn down the volume of this. Try and get it loaded here. Open the Palkia pack. Let's see. Anything interesting? 2 Oddishes? No. I already had all the cards I just got. Bye. Drop those. Walk around. I do have enough. I'm gonna open up another pack. I have the hourglasses for it. Do do doom. Doom boom boom. Boom 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 boom. Waiting for it to load. Anything interesting from this one? Magnicar, Omnipom, Wormadam, Kricketune, Rugly. Already had all of those. There are like 50 cards I don't have. Just give me one of those. Right? 50 cards. Oh, stop. Oh, wait, stop. 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 How many more do I have of time and space? Time and space. I have 50 more of the regular cards left. I got all of the Mystic Lands regular cards, but that also had the like least amount in there. Bye. Let's take a look at what we've done today. Nice area cleared out here. A lot less trees. I probably could. I've slept here. Let me go heal up my stuff, and then probably would be a good point to be able to switch over to Godot and see if I can get task worked out. we could have gone up. Oh, tight. I made it. I'm perfectly fine. And then over here. Just past this. In. Ooh, nope. In. Go. Here. And then Elytra is on. We go down. Ow. There we go. Easy, simple. I am at the correct day count, right? Oh, nope, I missed one. There we go. 1754. Probably have enough to finish healing up both of these. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Oh, I still need a little bit more. There we go. Finish collecting it all. Come on. There we go. Almost back up to level 50. Mute. Aye. And yeah. That would be a good point to switch over to Godot. Yeah. Let me get Godot set up then. Do you want to join my server? Not currently. Let me switch this over so that way I can change stuff. Do do do. Boom boom doom doom. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What am I doing? I need to switch over. I need to get this set up. I need to change title. What do I name? What do I title? What's the title? What's the title? What's the title? Ooh. Oh, I'm hitting all sorts of buttons. Software engaged in the filament. What's the title? Task list time. Let's go. Let's work on our on the task list. Bye. By Godot. We have it. Actually, I should probably solve the problem I've found out earlier. This should not be in here. It should be in its own thing. Let's see. If I should. Because what I want is maybe I add it on the same. I added to border. I think is probably the right call. Save color menu. Is this the right one? Yeah. Oh, and I'm also gonna have to change these. Might be able to get rid of this completely if I am correct. Find child. Okay. What I probably want is I would probably want this one. Oh, that doesn't work because oh, is this parent? Do boom 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 boom. Do. Boom 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 boom. Oh, oh, that's not the right one. If I drag it in from here, yes. Ah, god damn it! I copied I copied it. No, stop. And then here I need find child color system. This should work now. It doesn't work now. I don't know what's wrong. If toggled on is true, find child color system is false. Hmm. Why didn't that work? Are there any errors? There. Huh? What does that error mean? Oh, I don't have any. Wait. Oh. Data. P child data parent is what? On toggle condition. Child to parent data. This is true. What? If I access unique name, can I? Hmm. Hmm. I do this instead. Save. Ah, what is? I guess I can. this. What's happening? Color behavior. Sprite 2D color behavior. So would that fix the problem? Okay, so it gets the child. If find child. Do I have this backwards by chance? What if if I switch that around, does that change anything? No. Oh wait, I'm doing this wrong. This is why this is not right. This dot remove child. Does that work? No. Maybe I need both parts. I need it in, I need it in here. Oh wait, how does that, with slash? If this finds the child not true, add child, and then take this child scale. If it find child is not true, remove child. Does this work? Oh. Oh, it works. Oh, it works. And now, when I click on here, it doesn't activate the button. Okay, that solves that problem. Blinded. That solved the problem. Yippee! Oh, stretching. Now, I need to make system. What I probably need to do is I probably need to set up the reward system, or I guess, maybe not. Maybe I don't set that up yet. Maybe I set up task. No, because I need a system. I need the reward system so that way I can see that the rewards are being added. So what I probably need is on the border, add child, a label. Do I want a label? Is the label correct? I think label is correct. And then I'll name it score, or I guess reward. Reward amount. And then this sample. Let me also throw on this. That way it's right. Where is it currently? Oh, it's down there. This is gonna need to be put into manage group. Oh wait, it's gonna need its own code, isn't it? Which means I probably it's gonna need its own code, so I don't think the group. This is gonna need the same idea as this one. Then again, it's also gonna need a box around it. It's probably a good idea. Let me see if I can seam override font size. Let's tune this up just a bit. Let's also, can I, label settings, new label setting, oh, outline, outline, that doesn't, okay, wait, outline, black, font, 64. That's an outline. Get rid of the outline shadow. That's something completely different. Okay. I don't think this is what I want. I don't think I want that. I think what I want is I probably, maybe I just, maybe I just add the box in here and then I just hope it doesn't overflow. What I need then is I need Krita. Let's get this open. And then in here, I know I'm gonna need this color. Let's do a new, actually I could probably get an idea for it here. Gonna line up with this and go up here. Yes, the question is how far away do I want it to be? This is the corner. I just want to make sure I know where that is. Because I don't actually know how far over I want to be. I mean, where's the center? That's not the center. What is the center? I don't know actually. I think I did something like a little bit longer than that, I would say. I don't know how far I'm going with this. I'm just gonna. Oh, that was not far at all. Okay. I want it probably about. Oh wait, I don't want that. Oh wait, I want it for the center. That's fine. Maybe not that far. Erase. Maybe somewhere in this size. If I deselect, let's get a box tool. Yep. how, okay, I do not want you anymore. Let's go 20. And let's, back, what? What, why, it was being weird there. Nope. Oh, I want foreground color. I don't know how far down I want it to be. That's a good. I think it is too rounded. I think this one is too rounded. Alright, that's not. That, would that be good enough? Oh, okay. I need to. Maybe I need to make it have a center actually. Damn it. Let me get rid of these two layers. About here, go this way. No. I think what I need to. What if I bring this round down to like just 25? How does that do? I think that's better. Alright, that filled in nicely. Now I just need this to be its own image. Properties. New image. I need whatever. Okay, I can actually figure out what this image's size is. I line it up here, then I go to properties. 538 117. 538 117. 538 117. 538 117. Oh, that's perfect. Export. Godot. Here, let me get it. Oh, I saved it as a project, not as save. Export PNG. Okay. Now, if I go back to Godot, I can import that. And then I can add child, sprite 2D, border mount bar, and this one, it goes here. Reward amount goes on top. It is going to go across this entire thing. Probably a better way of doing this. What is the amount of number? What is the biggest number I can put in here? Oh, I have no idea of how big that number is. 0, 0, 0, 0. I can fit in this much. Actually, that's all. What is the biggest one I can do? 9s. Actually, what's the 0s bigger? I think that's perfect. I think that's fine. Okay. This is good. Stretching a bit. Okay. What I'm gonna need. Okay. Let me create a new folder. Color user. That way I can just put this stuff in here. Save color behavior. Which one is it that's on here? What's this one? Color behavior. That one's gonna be its own outside of all the projects. Color behavior. This one I don't need anymore. Save color behavior. Color B behavior is getting out of there. Okay. So if we go back here, board amount, this is gonna get what is it called? B behavior? Because that's what this has. It's gonna get B behavior, which if I save, oh, it doesn't work. What, isn't B behavior the right one? Oh, it's because it's not in a group. I need to add it to the group. Border. Border sprite. What am I doing? Oh, it's sprite 2D. Did that not work? Manage groups, border. Oh yeah, it didn't work because I didn't press the right button. do do do. Okay. So now when I do it, does load in correctly. Reward amount is gonna need its own script. Now, reward amount behavior. And then I'm gonna need a new script. It's gonna be reward handler. And then reward handler is going to become a auto load. Okay. And then reward what's it? Reward handler. It's gonna have a variable called what is it gonna be called? It's gonna be a variable called current reward amount. And then in reward amount behavior on ready, we need a variable. No, we really don't. I just do text self text is equal to reward handler dot this is going to be a integer. Ready amount to how's that work? Nope, it doesn't work. Oh, it's because it's this integer and not a string. How do I convert integers into string? Let me look that up real quick. Ooh. Let's just that? Will that work? Oh, hey, it does. Is there a way? Is there a way to get it to have the commas? How to integer add commas to string integer though. Number is equal to number. What is this? Function thousands step thousands number. Number integers. Mod string. Oh, what is this? I'm trying to understand what I am reading here. Because what I am reading says is something like this. I don't know how this is gonna. Variable string is this amount. Mod string. Ooh. Like that? With this? Holy shit, that just works. Wait, there's no way that just works. Holy shit, that just works. What? No. But how? How does... So, variable string is equal to the number. What is mod? What is this? String length. For I in range. String length. Oh, okay, so mod it gets the string lengths and cuts it into 3, and then for I, if I is not equal to 0 and ooh, don't mess around, and I 5 by 3 is equal to mod res, add this to it plus string. Okay, I don't get it. I get it, but I don't get it. See, okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Okay. This works. And I kind of get it. It makes a string with the numbers, and then it gets the string length divided by 3, and then sets that to this value, and then res is also is empty. Then for I in range of 0 to string length, if I is not equal to 0 and I divided by 3 is equal to mod, res plus equal to res adds stat, res adds string. String with I I kind of get it, but not a lot. But that adds in what I'm looking for. So that is now that whole part of the system working. It stops working once I add too many zeros into here. But oh wait, did I add the perfect amount of zeros? Hang on a second. There we go. Yeah, it stops working if I do that, but just don't do that. I'm gonna just, can I just hold this? Now let me do it correctly. Let me just have that in there. Okay. Well, now I have that displaying correctly. That's all correct now. I think to start with, I probably don't actually want this at the start. Delete color system. And then on the button, I'll have the button start not pressed. Okay. What I need is what I need is presets for task, long tasks, and complicated tasks. I need presets for them. So, and then also I gotta remember that they fit into here. So I guess what I could do is I can make a new folder, task presets, create new scene 2D. I guess I can call it short task, even though that's just a basic task. Okay. Now I need, what do I need for it? Oh, my hands are so cold. For short, they're all gonna be similar. So let me mock out the signs here. Let me new. Oh, this is bad. I just want a surface to draw on. Let me kind of think about this for a second. Let me draw out my thought process. I'm dropping stuff. Okay. So I need it. I need a task. Okay, let me do it in black. That's just gonna look better. I need a task, and then on the task, I need a name, and then I need the. Okay, but I also need. Okay, this probably gets to be longer. I'm being okay. Being too particular. I need a task. That's concaved. Don't do that. Bad shape, but whatever. There's gonna be an icon. Ooh, it's gonna be icon here. Name. And then the button to complete it. Why? Yes? Does that make sense? Is that everything I need? Let me double check my notes. Name, complete button. Oh, reward. Hmm. Yeah. Maybe it needs to just be longer is the thing. Something long. And there's an icon here. Name. And then I guess I can put it in here, claim reward. I do something like that. Oh, I also need a repeating task. Hang on a second. Let me write that down. Which is just it's just a short task, but it repeats. Repeating task. Name. And then I need a repeating task that repeats on a timer, and then I need a repeating task that like a save task, so that way I can repeating task timer, and then I need a repeating task, and then I need a way to save task. Let me write that down. Bye. Then repeating task timer can get like a time underneath it. And then this would be like a basic task. And then a time task. And then another one is the long task, which is, I guess, for a repeating task, it would be, I guess I could label it repeat. I could label it repeating, and then at the bottom I could have time left. Well, I messed that up. Left. And then for non-repeating task, I can do time in for long tasks, because the idea about long tasks is that I start them and then it is a thing I am working on. Like if I am working on coding, I do the time task, and then it counts up the time. It'll count up the time like an hour to 2 hours, and then the reward will be based off of how much time. And then also, not just that, I want to have it so that when I claim it, it goes to a separate menu where it's like quality. So if I was doing coding for an hour but really wasn't focused, I can choose low quality. If I was coding and I was really getting into it, I can choose high quality. And then that will change how much reward I get. Yeah, that makes sense. I should also write that down so I remember. Quality menu. Okay. And then a complicated task is kind of the same idea, but instead of a claim, it is like an arrow, and then it drops down into regular task with their own names, and then they'll have their own claim button with their own reward. And then it would be a list, basically. I can do that. I can do that. What I need is I need a task I need a task holder like this, but definitely wider. Let me see. In here, I know they need to fit in between here. Like that. And if oh, I did that on the wrong layer. It was so good. And yet I gotta do it again. Do I like... I think I like the less round corners on this. That would be centered. Let me put this into the corner so that way I can save it. How big is this one? 1183 322. 1183 1183 322, I said. And then I copy that one, paste it here. This one, I probably want a white interior. Oh, there we go. Those corners cannot be white. Hang on a second. Is that getting rid of it? Let me just put red behind it so I'll be able to see red. Well, I missed over here. And I did get into it. I don't think I'm doing this in a smart way. Let's go back. Let's do red behind everything, and then let me actually create a white layer. Oh, that's not white. White. Oh, nope. This, I think I want this clipping group. I want this to be darker, but I don't want it to be that dark. Oh, well. Why? It's fine. I want this, and then on here, there will be task icon. Oh, I'm drawn. The task icon here. That's a bit big. Probably make it smaller. Right here. Name. Reward button. Yes. Okay. Export task. Let me add child node. Sprite 2D. Let me create new folder. Short task. Let me rename this folder to put space in it just for my sake. What am I looking at? What am I looking for now? I need to import the I need to import this, which is the task. It's a short task. Oh, I saved it with the red. Whoops, whoopsie. Let me try that again. Let me try that again, but let's do that correctly this time. Task sprite. This is going to get the color behavior, and then it's going to go into group, manage group. Where is it? Oh, the groups aren't on this layer. Okay, wait. Let me save groups. We copy this over so that way I can add the group task. Task add. Okay. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. I just wanted to add in because when I play it, oh, it's gonna be white because it's not being set. Well, no, it should be being set, right? Oh, I added that to it. Not here. Manage groups. Add. Add. This one doesn't need to be. I mean, it could be. I guess it really could be. I guess it doesn't matter. But if I test, it's white. Why is it white? Is it supposed to be white? Is that what the default is for it right now? If in group task color, what is task color currently set to? Oh, task color is currently set. Okay, well, let me do that just to see. Yep, okay, it is working properly. Now what I need is I need a sprite on here. I think all the how tall is this? It was 3 something. I think all the task should be do what's like 150. Okay. Save as task icon size. All task icons are going to be 150 by 150. Let's make a quick one. That's bad. That's just so bad. That's I'm fighting with myself now. That's too much. It's too much. Or what? Why are you what? Why you rotate? What? Do boo boo. Do 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 do. Doom boom 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 boom. Do do. Boom 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 boom. Boom boom boom. Alright, I probably do I also I want this to not be black. Clipping group, let's what was the gray I went with here? What was this gray? I want this gray. export task icon diamond. Task sprite, I need a child sprite. Task icon. That one, if I folder if I now take task icon diamond, put it in here, throw it on, it's going to go over here. It's gonna go to 0. Actually, how do I know? I guess it's only gonna go so far to the edge. So if I do that, and then I need some way for. I need some way for it to change its groups. How would I do that? How do I check its group? It's probably something along the same behavior. Is in group? Okay. What I probably it probably needs its own script. Task icon behavior. Then it needs to know variable is complete Boolean variable in progress Boolean I. If is complete equal to is equal to true, print complete I. If in progress is equal to true, this should also probably be else if else print else print okay. Add to group. Well, I don't know what this persistent is. Let me look up in the Godot documentation what this is. Okay. I don't know where I look for. Found it. If persistent is true, the group will be stored with when saved inside pack scenes. Okay, so probably don't need to set that to true. Actually, no. If I save stuff to pack scenes, I probably do want it to be true. So its default is true. So its default is false. So I want to set it to true. And then I gotta add this back so that way I can double check what I have. Actually, no, it's right here. What am I doing? I don't need that. Task icon complete. Uh, uh, task icon behavior. Add to group. Task icon complete. And then task icon in progress. Okay, let me close, save it. Ward handler, I'll close that one for now. Close that one for now. This one I don't need, close it for now. This one is chooser behavior, it's this one I need. In task in progress. Oh, I can't add. How do I run a script in a script? Oh wow, clicking on stuff. Trying to expand my window because there's like 15 pop-ups in. Oh, this is complicated. Maybe I don't call the other script and I take this. Actually, I probably don't need to. I could probably just put the self modulates into here. Yeah. I'm gonna export so that way I can test it. Okay. I switch to 2D. If I leave it blank, I can't see it because of how this is set up. If I add a if I add a camera for testing purposes, incomplete is red. Then if I do complete, it's green. Then if I do in progress, it's blue. Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's correct. That's what I'm looking for. Let me add child. Let me add a label. Throw this onto it. Test. do font size. Let me do, what do I want to do? Let's do 150. I also realize I now have everything out of line. Do I'm distracted. Interesting. Horizontally lined, vertically lined, center. Do word test to I probably want that off. I resize control. Okay. I see. Ooh, don't mess with that. Okay, so what I need now is I need a way to control what the label says. The label is gonna need similar code. Okay, I'm getting kind of lost. I guess I'm actually gonna need on here to attach a script. Short task. Did I make it short task behavior? What ones do I have here? I have color behavior, task icon behavior. This is going to need a script, short task. Which is gonna need a variable task name, which is gonna be a string variable task reward, which is gonna be a integer variable task icon yeah. Task icon is gonna be a sprite. Can I? Yeah, I can set that in here. Okay. Oh, I'm zoning out now. I'm zoning out very hard. But I'm. It needs. Oh, It also needs a button. It also needs a button. To. Uh. Add child button. Which is gonna be labeled. This is gonna get fonts. No, font size. 150. No, that's not it. That's not it. Do. And then this is gonna need to go into this script. Signal. Button pressed. On button pressed. Okay. Variable. Variable. Variable button text, which is gonna be a string. Because if I print button dot text, yep, that's printing proper. That's printing how I expected. OA. What am I doing? Let me also export these so I can change these. I can test these out a bit better. I guess on ready, I want ask icon to equal task icon. Only identifier attribute. Okay. What is texture? Is texture right? If I texture, yep. What I probably need is I'm gonna need a way to change the texture if I want. That's a later problem. That's a later thing I need to work out. Label, let me actually rename this. Rename task name. Task name in here dot text is equal to task name. Maybe icon. Yep. Oh, does it? I guess instead of sprite 2D, is this supposed to be texture? Oh. Yep, there we go. Name unready text. Equal to if I do a tab in there, does that work? That's how I do it, right? I'm looking for. I think that's right. Does that? Oh, it does work. It's out of bounds though. How does it? How did it move like that? Why does it move at the start? That's the question I have. Oh, is it because the text is too long? Let me. Can I change how this button? Behavior alignment center. Can I do alignment right? No. Wait, that isn't. Icon alignment center. Expand icon. Does that work? Is that better? Was that better? If I do left, taking off by that much. If I do center, taking off by the same amount. Okay, so that's not changing it. There it is, transform. Okay. Ooh. Pivot offset, where if I do pivot offset, if I move that to the other side, does that change where it will create? No, it doesn't. I think that is just for rotation. Container sizing? Let's try and listen. If I change in here, no, it's not. How do I get this to just do what I want it to do? Oh, hey, look at that. That's probably what I'm looking for. Oh, well. Do, 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 do. Do. I don't know what I'm doing. Interesting. I'm struggling to understand how this works. Let me shrink it down as much as I can. Okay. I think that's working how I want it to in some amount. If I get rid of this, am I able to shrink it down further? Ooh, I am. I put this. I just copy that and then I drag this over here. Oh, that's the wrong one. Yep. Okay. Okay, now I'm getting the layout set up properly, and I'm starting to understand how this works. Yes. I kind of want to know is task.name flat font size. Actually, I probably want to print. Does that work? No. What would it be called? Task name. Ooh, that's not printing what I expected it to print. Print task name in progress. That's not right, is it? What? Task name is equal to task name. Oh wait, did I set? No, I set it to Yippee here. Is it? Huh? Task name. There's no default one. Why would it? What? Am I mixing something up? Task name. Task name. Dot text is equal to task name. In progress. Why is it? What is this? They're printing Yippee? No, it's printing in progress. What? Why would it be doing that? Is there a different code that is making it print that? There is. That's what it's happening. So I'm not able to actually. Okay, this works. I can save that. Try that again. Okay, it prints it once, which is actually what it's supposed to be doing. Hi. Close that. Task. Cool. Uh, font. Interesting. I'm trying to see if I can. Can I get it to. Let me make a variable best equal to restart that. Alright, that's not giving me what I was hoping for. That's just. And overrides. No, that doesn't exist. The I'm just throwing stuff. So I'm able to get the seam. Let's do test again. Test. Oh. Hmm. Huh. Font underscore size. Ooh, wait. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Can I get... Uh... Oh. Hmm. Interesting. Oh, what is... What is this here about? It's complaining. Hmm. How would I change this? Does it seem... Can I change this to be... I'm just fucking with shit now. I am in testing. Oh. I want to take this copy. I want to... Seem data font size. How do I change that? Let me see if I can find any. I've been trying to throw stuff. Let me see if I can see any of this in the documentation. constant list. Ooh. Oh, I think I'm getting closer. Oh wait, I'm doing the wrong thing. Get no. That didn't work. Default theme font. Mm-hmm. Get fonts. I don't. I actually, this isn't. Get font size. Oh, second. Size. Name. Do 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 do. Trying to find. Do do do. What's do? I'm just throwing stuff at the wall. That didn't work. Ooh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to get it so that I can figure out the text, the font size for this, so that way I can change it if it gets too big. But I don't know how to get the font size. Guess I could just look up how to get font size. Oh, I was not. Add seam font size override. What? Wait. Oh, hey, look at that. Uh Let me. Okay. Thank you, stranger on the internet. Abaddon? That's so good. I can't believe. Add seam font size override. That's just a lot. Font size. I guess. Variable. Task. Name. Font size. Because this is an integer. And then this, I do task name font size. Then I want task name font size equal to I guess I need to figure out how many. I need to figure out. How did this work? String.lengths is what I would need. Size the string task name.lengths. Uh fonts. What is the default font size I have it set to right now? 155. How does that look? It's fine. Script is equal to 155 minus it's equal to 155 unless the task name is longer than 155. That doesn't work, does it? Nope. Not at all. It's equal to 155 minus task. Ooh. Ooh, how does okay. How much can I type here? Oh, that didn't work at all. What? It's smaller. Okay. What I need is that it's equal to 155 divided by task length. Does that work? Visited by zero error and operator? What do you mean? Task length is not zero though. Oh, it is zero. Fuck me. I guess to make sure that doesn't happen, if task length is less than or equal to 0. Ooh, I forgot to add the thing to it. What would it be? Task name is equal to that work? So if I clear that, does it work? Doesn't crash. I do 1. It's big. I do. Oh, it shrinks really fast. How do I make this scale properly? Divided by, if it's 1. I need it so that if it's 1, I need it so that I need it so that I need it so that if it is bigger, I need it so that the more text there is, the smaller it gets, but I need it to be 55. It's equal to 155. I guess what I should do is, if task length is less than or equal to, how many characters can I fit before it gets too much? Oh wait. Why is this so small? Stop that. What? Oh, it's because it sets a 0. Why would I do that? Actually, let me just set it beforehand temporarily so I can just see how big it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a good number. Why? It's less than or equal to 8. Else What if I do minus for this one? Oh, it doesn't work. If task name length is less than or equal to 8, set the size, else set the size equal to this minus the length. What if I do divide it by length again? It's small. Okay. Do. What I need is this to be minus the length, but it needs to go down shortly. But the more characters, the smaller it gets. Something like that work? Nope, that is just infinitely small. What if I do the division in here and then minus out here? That didn't change anything at all. I mean, what does it look like when it's only 5 smaller in a font size? Hang on a second. Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one touches here. Actually, I should probably check what well, that 8 touches there. If I add another 8, how much further? It touches in the same spot, so it doesn't seem like it's actually changing the size. What? Oh well, I'm not changing the size anymore. I'm an idiot. So this 8 goes to here. Cover. And then if I add another 8, does that other first 8? Oh, it is smaller. So it is. The problem is that it's not smaller than what I would expect it to be. Why is font size like exponential? If font size is exponential, then it needs to get exponentially smaller. If 155 is the max, then I need to I need it. So the max is. How do I do square root in code again? Square root 155. square root of something. If going from a ton of text up by one is a multiple of is the power of two, and the power of two of that one is double the amount of text being removed. So I need half the amount being removed. Okay, if I have the text lengths, the more text it is, the smaller it needs to be. So text lengths. If I do text lengths times 0.5, if text lengths is 2 times 0.5 is 1. If it's 1, then it's 0.5. So that. No, that's still backwards. It's divided by 0.5. Because if it's 2 and it's divided by 0.5, that's 4. If it's 1, then it's okay. So that's actually probably closer to what I'm looking for. 155 minus. Oh wait, there's no way that works now. Oh, it doesn't. That's why it doesn't work now. That's 4. Okay, it is getting smaller, just not fast enough. If I do 0.9. Huh. Well, if I do 0.1. Oh, that's too fast. Wait. 0.3. Okay. Does it just eventually... It eventually just gets to the point where... Okay. What if I do... Inside of here... Divided by task length times 0.1. So we go 888 fits perfectly. Do 888 fits okay. 888. Oh, it's not changing size anymore. Oh, if it's 10, then it just goes to 1, so it doesn't. How do I do this? The bigger it gets, the bigger the smaller the exponential needs to be. So the bigger it gets, the more it has to divide by. Divide by. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't actually know. Why do I not know? Flanks divided by its would it be like 0.5 to exponent of how do I make a float into an integer? Actually, let me look this up. I integer to can I just do it the other way? Am I missing one? Is that the problem? Yeah. I don't know how this works. Let me look up how to do exponents. Wait, am I being extra complicated about this? Is it... Does this work? Oh, maybe. Oh, it doesn't work. Can't divide by 0? How is this dividing by 0? Oh, I guess if this number is too low. So maybe I don't want to do integer here. Oh, that is just tiny. It's just itty bitty. Is it that I got the system backwards, or is this just getting too small too quickly? If I go to this one works. If I do that one works. If I do one more, it gets really, really small. If I do a ton more, does it get bigger? It does get bigger. So I have this backwards. Does that fix it? Does not look like that fixes it. Actually looks like that just freezes it in place. Yeah, now that is stuck size. Okay. Oh, it's gone. That's cool. Was it just too big? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. $155 divided by this. If it's 1, then it's... Oh, that's backwards. If it's backwards, then I do it like this. This doesn't scale down fast enough. If this is 1, it divides by, that's point, okay. Zero, okay. Oh, is this still 0? Wait, task length divided by that. Is it just so low that it's always gonna be 0? What? Wait, no, it's just not working. It just doesn't work. What? No, it shouldn't be equaling 0. Why does that work? Why doesn't that work? Yeah, why doesn't that work actually? It just doesn't get small enough fast enough. Because that 9 is just before. It's actually not even getting any smaller now. Oh, it's getting smaller, but it's just getting small very slowly. Nines does it. Now this does it too fast. That one's just normal. That one's all the way there. I hold 9. Yeah, it just gets smaller exponentially fast. Ooh, I hate this. I hate it. I hate it. I feel I have made no progress in the last 30 minutes. It's just all the same. It's just I can't figure it out. It needs to get smaller exponentially, okay? If at 100 characters it's 1. Okay, let me write this out, actually. Let me write this out. If at 100 is equal to 1, and then 10, no. If 8 is equal to 150, oh wait, no, this is I see my problem now. Wait. Oh, this is I'm just solving for x. Oh, I'm just solving for x. Oh. Divided by 8. X is equal to 1 over 100, which is equal to 150 for 8. This doesn't make sense, does it? Then aren't you supposed to cross multiply this? Which is 8 over 1. Is this how it's supposed to be done? And then that solves for x. How much would that be? Let me grab a calculator. Divided by 1,900. Did I do something wrong? I feel like I missed something. I don't think I'm doing this right. It's been way too long since I've done a math class. Because if x is equal to 1937, that's not right. X was equal to 0.0005. Oh wait, is that correct? This 0.0005 times 100 is not equal to 1, so I don't know what I'm doing. What times 100 is equal to 1, and what times 8 is equal to 155? What is it? Yeah, it comes back down to this, and I don't know how to solve this one. Am I supposed to times it? Is it 155 over 800? Is that what I'm actually supposed to do? Is it not cross multiplying? What's 0.19? Am I overcomplicating it? 0.19 times 8 is 1522. 1 point times 100 is 19, which is still wrong. What can I times? I don't remember. I'm completely zoned out. I should just end stream. I've done nothing in the all I've done is not been able to do math. Yeah, no, I think I end stream here. I don't know how to do math. I'm gonna have to figure this out off stream. Just because it is not working. It is not working. Or my brain is not working. I'm not able to solve this. Where's creator music disc? There it is. Yeah, I'm ending stream here with my incompetence. Yeah. Yeah, I don't got much else to say. Have a good day, everybody.